Hi everyone, my name is Nina. I'm an illustrator and comic artist, and I've been requested by people in my Discord to make a hair tutorial, so we are gonna make a basic hair tutorial today. Let's go through hair basics. First things first, leave some room for the forehead. I've been noticing between my students that some people tend to start the hair right above the eyebrow. It's not good because it creates such a mess here. There's a lot of stuff in a very small space and it gets bloated. So let's not do this. Instead, you leave room for the forehead. If you want, you can mark it down. And then you start the root of the hair here, which means that if you have long hair, it just grows from here, and if you have shorter hair, it falls from here. Now, people tend also to try to draw every string of hair like they are drawing string by string. Don't do that. When we look at other people, we don't see hair as separated strings, we see hair as blocks. We separate hair by sections. So when we're drawing, we do the same. We'll see sections, okay? So let me color code and separate the sections real quick. So these are the different hair sections, and when you draw a hair, when you create your hairstyle, you have to think of these sections. I will show you how it works in some of my own drawings. Now we can make a slightly different hairstyle so you can see how it works with a different shape, but it's still the same division. Okay, let's make one more example just to make sure you got it. Now with a different angle. So when you think of hair structure, if you follow this base, you find it very easier to build the structure of the hair, to build the hairstyle. Now after you have this is just the base. After you have this, you have to add detail. So let's detail a lock of hair. What I like to do is that I make a layer so I can build the shape I want. And after I build the shape, the base shape, and I'm happy with it, I lower the opacity and then I start working on a different layer, usually with a darker color, so I can start adding details. So we will follow the shape and the direction we already chose, and we'll start adding details to our lock of hair. We're gonna make sure that we keep it a shape. Okay, we are not add too much hair that makes it messy. We want to keep the shape we have, so we are gonna add details to the tips, but we are keeping the main shape. We can also add some detailing here to the edges, but let's not mess up with the main shape we have. Also, you can add some sparkling depending on the lighting. And some more lines to make it work as shadow. Like, I don't usually make texture or lightning like this. I usually only draw what I need and then I use colors to finish. My line art is very thin, but some people like to draw the hair with the ink pen and give a lot of details and give some soft coloring. No way is right or wrong, it's a matter of aesthetics. It's a choice. So something that I recommend is that after you have your main lock, your main shape, and every detail you already want, you add a outer little part. Because details make it better, so if you add a little bit to it later, a little bit here, a little bit there, but not too much. And also following the shape you already have, following the movement you already have. Since this is just a base hair tutorial, we will not talk about other hair textures today. We'll just do the basics, but there are other different textures that we can work with later, and it's better explained with colors. There's still a lot we can talk about hair. There's hairstyles, there's hair texture, there's different hair colors, there's movement, there's how the hair relates to the body, and etc. We can make a lot of other videos talking about it, but today I'm just explaining how to make really basic hair, really mainstream hair that people usually do. We can come back to this subject later if you guys want, so leave in the comments what you want me to explain first. Also, if you guys want to know something else about drawing, just ask. You guys can join my Discord and share your art with us, and if you're using this tutorial, show us what you did, show us your work too. Hope it helped. See ya!